Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this completely free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept and adjust all of those settings however you want to. When you're ready, choose the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Apply. And now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!